Just a short video, guys, on an update of the increases from Louis Vuitton. If you want to see what those are, keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. My channel is all about luxury unboxing as well as pre-loved items and on occasion some beauty products. If you feel that this is something you might be interested in, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I've uploaded new videos. So let's get started, guys. I will be looking at my notes. The reason why all these increases are happening is it's to cover the cost of their materials, whether it be their canvas, their dyes for printing, their leather, as well as the currency in France. All of this comes into play. She also had told me that anything that is coming from France is going to be hit hard, not so much as Italy and Germany and places like that. In other videos, there would be a second increase, and it did happen. It happened last night at midnight on February the 25th. So I'll start with all the Canadian prices first, and then as followed will be the US prices. So the first item on the list that I noticed had an increase was the Bandeaus. Not all of them, just a selected few. In Canada, the original price was $265. It now has gone up to $290. In the US, they were selling for $195. They have now gone up to $210. The next thing on my list would be the Nice Nano. Item number M44936. The original price in Canadian dollars was $850. It is now at $945. In US prices, your original price was $720. It is now at $810. So that is an increase of $90 US. The next item would be the Nice BB. Item number M42265. In Canadian dollars, originally it was $1,390. It is now $1,460. In US dollars, originally it was about $1,200. It is now sitting at $1,250 US. The next item I wanted to talk about was fashion jewelry and their fine jewelry. I was speaking with my SA earlier today, and she informed me that not all jewelry, whether it's the costume fashion jewelry or the high-end jewelry, will be on that list of increased items, but some of them will, and we're not quite sure, she said, when that's going to happen, but it is going to happen. The one bracelet I was looking at is item number Q95757. It is called the Blossom Bracelet. This one is in yellow gold with diamonds and mother of pearl. This one is now 24,100 Canadian dollars. That is just ridiculous. I would rather purchase something from Harry Winston or Tiffany's. You can get something really nice for that price. Like I said, some of the jewelry has not changed prices yet, but it will be happening soon, not all of it. I was told by the SA 2 days ago that the increase is also going to be on their small leather goods, such as wallets, key holders, things of that nature, also bag tags. So please watch for the update on that, guys. Thank you for tuning in. So guys, stay safe, wear your mask. We'll all get through this eventually. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and we'll talk to you soon.